If you're someone who is not a no-code SaaS developer and you spend 10 to 12 hours writing code for your next SaaS, then I have a list of 60 plus SaaS boilerplates which you can use to quickly set up your project and start coding the main features of your SaaS. The code in these SaaS boilerplates are written in the following languages, so you have multiple options to choose from. You can join our Discord channel where I have curated the list of all these SaaS boilerplates along with the technologies used in them. I won't be able to go through the steps for all these, but we will be setting up the boilerplate that I have used previously to quickly set up my SaaS. The boilerplate I have used is the next.js subscription payment starter. And shout out to the team of Vercel for creating this amazing boilerplate. This boilerplate uses Next.js for the front end, Supabase which is an open source alternative for Firebase, and Stripe for creating subscriptions. To get started with this boilerplate, go to the first link in the description. Our Vercel team has already written this amazing readme which we will go through and set up the project. Start by clicking on this deploy button. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to Vercel to deploy a clone of this project. Now before moving on, make sure to create an account on Supabase. It has a free tier which you can use for this project. Now click on the add button and integrate Supabase project in your deployment. Next step is adding Stripe keys as your environment variable for this project. Go to the Stripe dashboard, make sure to enable the test mode and copy paste the publishable and secret key. When deploying to production, just replace these keys with the original ones. Once that is done, it will take few seconds and deploy your project. This is how your deployed project should look like. Now we need to create the database tables for this project. Go to the SQL editor by clicking on this link. Click on Quick Starts and choose the Stripe subscriptions. After that, click on the Run button. This SQL query will create all the necessary tables we need for this project. Now we will configure the auth. Now this step was automatically done when we were deploying on Vercel, but if you're using a custom domain, then you need to follow these steps. Navigate to URL configuration of your project using this link. You will see a site URL and a bunch of redirect URLs. These URLs are used by Supabase to redirect after the user authenticates. If you're using a custom domain, then add your domain in the same formats as these URLs. Now we will set up our Stripe webhook. This webhook will connect our Stripe account with our Supabase database. Go to the test endpoint page and click on add endpoint. Now copy paste your deployment URL along with this route /API/webhook. Now select all the endpoints and click on add endpoint. Once created, we need to set up the Stripe webhook secret in our deployment. Go to your Vercel project settings and add the following environment variables. Once that is done, we can redeploy this project from deployments. Now we can create a test product in Stripe. Click on add product and create a test product. As you can see, the webhook has added that product inside our Supabase database. Now reload your website and you will be able to see your product subscription. And as you can see, we have successfully deployed our SaaS boilerplate. Similarly, you can follow the readme of all other boilerplates, and if you're stuck anywhere, then do comment or join the Discord channel for any other help. So if you found this video helpful, then do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.